Guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the new Maltesers cookies, biscuits. So we have orange, raspberry, and mint. So it's gonna be a comparison. Let's jump into it. So I'm gonna open the orange. There's one. Now raspberry. And last but not least, mint, chocolate mint. So let's put this back. Let's start with my least favorite. That is chocolate mint. So it looks like the biscuit. Let me see, there's something inside. It's just a biscuit. Yes, it's a little bit green. Ooh. Okay, yeah. You can feel the mint, the freshness. Okay, this is good. I can feel a little bit. So now my second least favorite, orange. Yeah, it seems same. Inside, same. Okay, the taste is much stronger on the orange, much stronger than the mint. Okay, it's good. It's getting better. Now, probably, I hope is the best one, is raspberry. I love raspberry. Here goes. The taste is not that strong, but can kind of feel a little bit. I wish it was more stronger like the orange, but okay, it's there. So I'm gonna leave the calories of both of them, three of them over here, and the score as well. So the score, on the orange, I'll give it an 8 because it's really strong and you can really taste the orange. For raspberry, I want to leave it a 5 because, like I said, I love raspberry, and I was hoping that the taste was strong. You can really feel the raspberry. That is a 5. For orange is an 8. Raspberry is a 5. And mint is a 7 because it's strong. It's not stronger than orange, but you can really feel the mint much more than a raspberry. That's why it's a 7. So 8, 5, 7. Now I'm gonna finish. Hopefully. So hope I can. Hopefully. Last one. Ooh. After this, I will gonna smell fresh. It's over. Let's jump into the orange. And last one again. Of the orange. And now, raspberry. And last one, from raspberry. And that's it, guys. All the Maltesers biscuits in one video. We finished them all, we tried them all. Obviously we have the original, no flavor, just Malteser. Guys, thanks again for watching the video. I really appreciate your support. Please comment below what you want to see next. Leave a like, and don't forget to press that subscribe button, because there's videos every week of new snacks, food challenge, and I really appreciate your support. Guys, thanks again. See you in the next video. Cheers.